Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make the special East Indian traditional Fugiyas. So let's begin. Add all-purpose flour in a vessel. To this, add your eggs, add your salt, your sugar. If you want to have this as a snack for tea time, you can add a little more sugar. Now I will add my instant dry yeast. Add some warm water. Remember, the water should not be boiling hot. Mix everything well together. All the ingredients along with this quantity for this recipe is mentioned in the description box below. Once it is all mixed together, it will look like this. Cover it with a plate and leave it for 3 to 4 hours. After about 3 to 4 hours, we'll heat some oil in a vessel. While the oil is getting hot, we will beat the batter like this. Keep a bowl of water besides you, and before you start, dip both your hands' fingers in that bowl. Take little batter in your left hand as shown in the video, and with your right hand just cut the batter required and drop it in the hot oil. Remember to wet your right hand fingers whenever you make 2 to 3 Fugiyas. Your right hand fingers should always be wet so that the batter does not stick on your fingers. And as you can see here, our lovely Fugiyas are getting ready. You can enjoy these Fugiyas during tea time or with some chicken curry or any of your favorite meat curries. Do try this out, you will surely love it. Let me show you how soft it has turned out. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of my upcoming videos. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.